Let's take a look on how to create a customized sequence preset. You're going to find that there are times that you might need to reference customized sequences. Let's say you do a lot of editing for Instagram, for example. They have a unique sequence setting that as of right now, Adobe Premiere doesn't offer as a preset. So what you would do is you would head to create a new sequence, head over to setting, input the customization, and you are going to click on Save Preset. A dialog is going to come up, so I'm going to hit Instagram TV settings for IGTV, and I'm going to hit OK. As you can see, it redirects me to my sequence presets, and now I have Instagram TV. So let's go ahead, name this IGTV, and hit OK. And now you see that it matches our sequence settings. This is a very helpful tip if you frequently have to access the same customized settings. Instead of having to input over and over again, what you can do is just save the preset and access it just like you would access any other preset in Adobe Premiere.